All right, guys, now we're on to station 4. The question is about a garden. It states that Stephen uses 2/3 of his garden to plant tomatoes and another 1/9 of it to plant lettuce. He then divides the rest of his garden into several small plots of land. The area of each small plot is 1/18 of the area of the entire garden. How many small plots of land are there? Okay, so we have a garden. That's our topic. So our bar is representing the garden. Okay. And it says that Stephen uses 2/3 of his garden to plant tomatoes. So my first step is to make this bar represent 2/3. So in order to do that, I'm going to split it into 3 pieces because my denominator is 3. And 2 of those, I'm going to put a T because he planted tomatoes in that section. So that shows 2/3 of his garden was for tomatoes. Then it says he used 1/9 of the entire garden to plant lettuce. So right now, I have 3 pieces. I need to make it into 9. So ask yourself, what can you do to 3 to make it 9? Hopefully you're coming up with you need to divide each of these into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now you have 9 different sections. One of these, 1/9, was used for lettuce. Okay. Then it goes on to say he divides the rest of his garden, this little section, into several small plots of land. Each one is worth 1/18. So if I have them as 9ths right now, what do I have to do to the 9ths to make them 18ths? I have to split them again. Okay, so I'm going to split all of these 9ths in half. That gives me 18 little sections. Each one is a separate plot. So here's one, here's one, here's one, and here is one. So my answer should be he will have 4 small plots. Did you get the question right? Were you able to solve it using a bar model? I hope so. Let's move on to station number 5.